This is also amazing. Today on the 21st of March 2025 we have Säveltie and Pukinmäki 5 stickers here. We have lots of new stickers being seen, which you can watch here. It was built in 1980 by ValmetSchlieren. The December's VS 5713. That's these 4 person that change my concept. 282 right here, 6 floors here. And it's a Pukinmäki box by PSKS 4, so it's in Finland. This is our 10th imported elevator today.
Yeah.
All imported ones, of course. This should have been in Finnish and Swedish. But it is actually, sorry. Didn't notice at first.
Yeah. These Pukinmäki bicycles maintained by Koni.
I like the sunset smell here.
Same here.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. And you will just be in serious.
That's